Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this city introduction. Make sure to watch the video until the end, to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. First you need 4 footages. Now go to split screen, and use the split screen 18. Make the split how long you need. Now put the footages on the numbers. Change the size on the footage if it's needed. Now double-click the split, go to Animation, Customize, and add a keyframe. Move from there, and put the scale X on 214, and change the position X with your mouse. When you're done, it will automatically appear another keyframe, and they will be connected together. Repeat the process to make for every footage. Now to look more interesting, go to Titles. I'll use this title 01. Place the title between the keyframes. Now just type what you want. And that's it guys, thank you for watching. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.